Horses out. We have Libre Lang. Gets away immediately. Danori inside. Blind Date. Earl Grey. La Sombra. Lucky Find. Elegancia. Libre Lang this time by Avalalenka. Blind Date is right behind in second. Danori inside. 2 lengths away in third. Earl Grey. La Sombra. Lucky Find. Elegancia trails the field. Into the turn they go. Libre Lang by about Aneka. Danori inside is Blind Day. 3 lengths. Watching them is Earl Grey. La Sombra, Lucky Find, and Elegancia. And into the back they trouble. And that's still entry number 2. Blind Day this time by about 3 for Valenka. Libre Lang in second. And in third still is Earl Grey. La Sombra, Lucky Find, and Elegancia. And that's still Blind Date by Valenka and Hapa. Libre Lang remains in second. Earl Grey in third. La Sombra in fourth. Lucky Find and Elegancia. And that's still Blind Date by about 4 lengths. Libre Lang, La Sombra moving up. Earl Grey, Lucky Find as they come down to the last 200. And that's still Blind Date this time by about 6 lengths. Earl Grey moving up on the outs, and now is Lucky Find. Last 75 meters, we have Blind Date by about 6 lengths, and finally Blind Date, Lucky Find, Earl Grey. Then comes La Sombra, Libre Lang, Elegancia.